Alright guys, here's the car. First look at it.
What's up guys, DIY Salvage Guy here, and on this channel, we just learn as we go. What we are going to be doing today is we are going to be doing a 10-minute rebuild for a 2011 Ford Mustang GT. I enjoyed this video, this series very much, so let me know what you guys think about the entire build from start to finish. Hopefully you guys will enjoy it, and also know that I don't have any experience with this, and I just pick up this as a hobby, and I just want to learn as I go, so that's what you guys should do as well. Make sure you guys comment, let me know how I did, if you guys like the build, the series. Turn on those post notifications, ring that bell. Also make sure you guys subscribe. Make sure you guys like, follow me on all the socials at DIY Salvage Guy. Thank you guys for being here. Let's hop into this right now. Here we go guys. Got the car right here.
Guys, here's the car. First look at it. Here's the damage that we see in the front. Looks like just a crash bar. Not too bad. Got some damage in the back here as well. So let's check out the interior here, guys. So we got a blown airbag. Just the driver's steering wheel. Not a big deal. Airbag is super in the way. So just gonna cut it out. Alright. So this is the only one that we need to replace, thankfully. Alright, so we don't have any of the mounting hardware for the driver's side, but what I can do is just kind of pop this up against here, let you guys see how it looks. I'm gonna peel this plastic off with like a new phone or something like that. Do this together because everyone loves the plastic peeling. But woo-hoo-hoo! Yeah, guys, this looks awesome. From where? This thing's on here pretty good still. There's no. This looks good here, guys. Damn, this thing looks good. This, I'll show you guys in a second. So, we got. Alright, so we got our grill as well, as you guys saw before. Here it is. Look at the double fog lights. You got the uppers and you also have the lowers. Mix that with the S550 headlights that we got going on. This is going to be awesome looking. Alright guys, we are looking pretty good. What do we got here, guys? How's this look? We have 2 screws in and they seem to be good. The issue is here. This rear frame section is kind of crunched. The other side does not have that issue. Seatbelt is moving again, as you guys can see. So we went with the black 6-speed. Looking pretty good here, guys. We need this pump, obviously. And we need our pulling attachments as well. Alright guys, we're all set up. We've got the chain up on the front. So we got the chain wrapped around the tree up front. That'll keep it stationary. We might have to pull the car back a little bit or forward a little bit and readjust this chain depending on how much slack we have. And in the back, we have it connected to the bumper, impact bar right there around the chain, and we have our push connector. So we did make some progress. Let's see. So this point was pushed back up against this point. So you can see that we pulled it out about 1.5 inches. So the concept was working. Next day, here's a look at it right now. Came a long way. Gotta weld this up a little bit. The tail lights now fit perfectly. Pop the trunk, pops open. Both grills on it. She's a little heavy, but
basically, we're just taking this whole thing out, guys, step by step. So we have a custom Ford Mustang GT CS with a couple different looks to it. We got the S550 headlights. I like the CS, the lower balance, and I also like the GT style front bumper as well. So here's the Mustang GT. That marks the end of this build, end of this series. That is 10 minutes in a rebuild for the 2011 Ford Mustang GT. I enjoyed this very, very much. I love this car, but we're going to be selling it, so it's on to the next. We're doing the new build now, so if you guys enjoyed it, make sure you guys comment down below. What was your favorite part about this build? Do you think you guys could do something like this? Because I know that you can. Make sure you guys comment. Make sure you guys subscribe down below. Turn on those post notifications, like, follow me on all the socials at DIY Salvage Guy. Thank you guys for being here. Share it with your friends. Hopefully you guys will be inspired by this and just understand that I'm just learning as I go. Whatever the project is, I pick it up and I learn it. Hopefully you guys will just try to become a DIY Salvage Guy yourself.